instructions. The following is a test of the emergency alert system. Emergency warning.
I accidentally
This
stopped
station
recording.
serves the
Reload
Pittsburgh
it.
extended operational area. This includes this emergency alert system test.
Alright, that's done. Now, I don't know what the hell happened to WAHC, but it's like...
You reloaded it.
Well, I'm trying. There we go. Oh. Are you recording this? Yes. That one's fucked, right? I thought that one got messed up. There we go. Okay, it's fixed.
Told you it would.
Low storage again, but I'll try to get the EOM. And dang it, my phone.
And as per usual, wait, what am I doing here? These radios aren't even mine. And if you turn around, this is not even my room. And I'm clearly at a revised radio collection. And this computer's not even mine. Yeah, and then this is also not mine. And these the recoms aren't mine. But anyway, I'm kind of afraid to turn the camera around. Who's behind there? Who's behind there? Who's... Knock, knock. That's all I got.
Anyway,
What's
you
your
know
name?
who I am.
No, we don't.
Yeah, you do.
Yeah, you do.
Yeah.
Wait, no.
Yeah, you know.
Anyway, what is your name?
You know it.
No, we don't.
You know my name.
No, we don't.
Yeah, you do.
No, we don't.
Yeah, the you do.
No, we don't.
Yeah, you do.
No, we don't.
Yeah.
No, we don't.
You
Yeah, you do.
do.
Yeah. No, we don't.
Yeah, you do.
No, we don't.
Yeah.
No.
You do.
We no. No, we don't.
Yeah, you do.
What is your name?
You know my name.
No, we don't.
Yes, you do.
Mr. Eyeball. Okay, Mr. Eyeball Small Face.
What?
Anyway, what is your name?
Anyway, I'm gonna switch your phone there.
Yes. And it signal off. Ah! Anyway, your actual name.
I'm Antonio, also known as Pittsburgh EAS.
Yes. But anyway, we're just collabing for a KDKA test tonight.
And we have some severe weather,
Yes, we had some severe weather
And
as well.
And before that 400 ghost activates on camera for JR.
Yeah. Well, it activated for me!
That was the third.
Yeah. But, yeah, we also had our first severe weather collab,
Yeah,
which
well,
I
yeah.
posted a couple SVRs from PVZ on my channel if you want to go see them.
I still need to post mine.
Same.
Because I'm way behind on
Yeah.
uploading.
And me and Antonio also did a trade.
Yes.
I need.
I got the first header, and we're trading for the
Third header.
third header, and he's selling it.
Wait, which Savage might get, because
Yeah.
I already have a third header, and I need to make...
You don't have the third. What header do you have?
First.
Okay, so
Yeah,
that
that's
answers
first.
my question.
That's first, he needs a third. I mean, I already have the third, and I feel like it would make sense for JR to get the first header since he already has
Right,
a 9
right,
on
yeah.
6. And
Yeah, that does make sense.
And
But
a 9-on-1.
Yes.
Mhm.
Oh yes, and then the 911 too.
yeah. Anyway,
911?
Wait, what? Oh,
911?
911.
I meant 991.
Yeah.
Yes, I'm tired and my
I know.
and my emotions are running through because JR illed me and Savage at the end of our videos.
Yeah, you should totally see that video because I got him good. I always get him, so yeah. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure you subscribe for some more videos like this, and be sure to like the video. And without being said, RCT3 dude, signing off. No! 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 No!
I got your back!